Welcome to Module 4.2, Audio Basics and Noise Reduction when it comes to post-production. And honestly, I'm going to kind of skip through this because it's not that important. The goal of all of these videos aren't to waste a lot of time perfecting everything, but it's about getting them done. Progress, not perfection. So when it comes to editing audio and post-production, I could teach you a bunch of apps and softwares and you'd waste a whole afternoon on one video getting okay at it. Or realistically, what I'd like to tell you to do is, if you listen to a video and it doesn't sound good, shoot it again. Those 5 minutes it takes you to shoot, it'd be way better than you spending 5 hours learning how to audio edit. So I'm going to go over a few different things. One of the key things that at least most of the apps that you can record and edit video in, at least editing your video, they do have a denoise button or an enhance button for your audio that honestly, it takes away all of the wind or background noise out of it to at least about a 50 to 70% kind of effective rate. That is honestly the most you will probably need. So don't go looking for audio editing. If anything, shoot it over or use your editing apps to just hit the enhance or the denoise or the remove noise and just stick to whatever those apps can do for you. Don't start trying to mess with equalizers, and that's about it. Another thing to do is if you are using one of these mini mics, and they do bring these windscreens, use them if you're in the wind or if you have a lot of background noise and surrounding noise. These things right here, you attach to your thing and you can hear a bunch of bad noise like that, right? Throw these on there and you can still hear it, but not as much. These things mask and take a lot of the noise out of it. So if you have these for your mic, use them. That's a cool little pro tip that anybody could use. If you use one of these, they usually come with them. But regardless, don't overthink audio. Keep it authentic. Keep it real. Let's go from there. Chat soon.